Hello guys and welcome to JT Wheels. So I've had a new modification done to the car. Don't know if you've guessed it yet, if you can hear it. Yeah, I've had the resonator deleted, or resonator removed. And it does sound a lot better actually. Like I did on my previous two STs, sounds phenomenal. So I'm going to give you guys a little insight of what it sounds like. So it's in sport mode at the moment. So you've got that extra grunt of the induction sound coming in. But around 2,500 on the revs, the sound proper like echoes. It is really loud. If you put it into eco mode, the sound is still there. It's quite loud, but obviously because it's in eco, it's not as responsive. In sports mode, it sounds really good. Alright guys, so what I'm going to do now then is I'm going to take you around the back of the car and see what it sounds like from the back. Okay guys, that's the end of the video. I'm going to wrap it up there. So as you can see there from the clips, that's the MK7 Golf GTI with non-res, D-res, resonator delete, whatever the hell you want to call it. So yeah, that's what that is. It's Christmas Day here, so happy Christmas to you all. So it's only a short vlog today, and then next week I'm definitely going to do some clips of this car with this camera, me driving past it, doing some drive-bys so you can hear what it sounds like from the outside. Whilst doing drive-bys, which would be quite good for yourself to see. If there's any other videos or anything like that you'd like to see, then comment below. Please give it a thumbs up, helps the channel grow, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.